Okay, now children, the first topic that we will start in grade 3 is numerals. Okay, number system, numerals, one and the same thing. Yes. So what we will be doing today in numerals is only 2-3 things. We will take time and finish numerals. It's not like that ma'am will do one chapter in one single day. No, it's not like that. Okay, I'll be doing few topics from numerals today with you. So you will not speak, as I said, no interruption in between. Otherwise, I can put everyone on mute and then I can unmute as per my wish. But no, I'm not doing it because my class is very disciplined. Yes. So numerals and number sense. Now my first question goes to Pranavi. Pranavi, do you know what are even numbers? Anything that you know about even numbers, bacha?
Ma'am, even numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8.
Okay, that answer is correct. Alarika, yes.
Ma'am, the even numbers are the numbers that are divisible by 2.
That are divisible by 2 is also correct. Okay, anybody else who wants to say something? Yes, Kian?
2 odd numbers plus 1 even number is equal to an even number.
2 odd numbers
Plus 1 even number is equal to an even number.
Give me an example.
3 plus 3 is 6.
Okay.
Plus 2 is 8.
Okay, that is correct. Is it always true? Always for all the odd numbers? If I say 11 plus 13, what is it? Is it an even number? If I say 11 plus 13 plus maybe 4, is the answer even number? Are 11 and 13 odd numbers?
Yes, they are, but it only happens when they double.
Okay, so odd, you mean to say that when we add two odd numbers, they become even number, is it?
Like when we put two same numbers, plus one, two same odd numbers plus one even number.
Okay, two same odd numbers when we add, and when we add an even number to it, the answer is even. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay, that thing is correct. That thing is correct. Okay. Now let me see who else are raising hand. Oh God. Oh, okay. Yes, Alarika, is there anything else you want to say?
No.
Okay, Ishanvi, you're raising hand?
Ma'am, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8.
Yes, ma'am.
These numbers, even if they go up to 1,000, if they end with these numbers, they're even, or the rest are odd.
Excellent. Very good. Dhairya, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Any number which comes in two stable and known as the even number.
Okay. Okay, correct. Ishan, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, number that have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at one's place are called even numbers.
Excellent. Correct. Okay, Mukund and Admina, I'm just coming to you. Wait. Okay, Mukund, yes, your turn.
Ma'am, even numbers are numbers that come in of two's multiples.
Two's multiples are all even numbers. Correct. Admina, what do you want to say?
Any number at the right side, if it is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, it will be the even number.
You mean to say that if we have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at one's place, correct?
Ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Absolutely right. Yes, Zaira.
Ma'am, numbers that come in pairs are even numbers.
Correct. Okay. Now, children, whosoever gave the answer are correct. A very, very simple definition of even numbers is that whether it is a small number. Yeah, Rebanta, just a second, I'm coming to you. whether it is a small number or whether it is a big number, the quickest way to find out whether that number is even or not, just check the ones place. If you have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at ones place, whether the number is big or the number is small, it doesn't matter. If you have 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8 at the ones place, that number is always an even number. But if on ones place, if you have 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, then the number is odd number. So to check whether the number is an even number or an odd number, what are you supposed to do? You are supposed to check the ones place of the number. If the ones place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then the number is an even number. But if the digit at the ones place is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, then the number is an odd number. Yes, Rebanta, now you can speak.
Ma'am, the even number is even number equal to odd number plus 1.
Even number is equal to odd number plus 1. That's absolutely correct.
And ma'am, the odd number is odd number equal to even number minus 1.
You are saying that even number minus 1 is equal to odd number and odd number plus 1 is equal to even number, right?
Yes.
Correct. Absolutely correct, Rebanta. So I can see, is there anybody else? I mean, children, when you raise hand, once you speak, you have to remove that sign. Otherwise, I feel that you are still raising hand. Like Zaira and Admina, I can still see. Is it a new hand that you're showing or is it the old one? Okay, I can see now. Only Zaira, is it old one only?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but just remove it because otherwise I feel that you want to speak again.
Ma'am, how to remove it?
Just click on that option once again, the hand sign again, and it'll go.
Okay.
So this is clear. If I give you a number, okay, the question goes to Dharya. Dharya, my number is 153. Is it odd or even?
Ma'am, it will be odd.
It will be odd because it has 3 at one's place. Okay, my next question goes to Daksh. Daksh, if I give you a number 450, is it even or odd?
Even.
Even, because it has 0 at one's place. Yes, Ashanvi, what is it?
Ma'am, even numbers are the one which have groups. Odd numbers are the one which doesn't have groups.
Absolutely, this is also correct. Even numbers can be grouped. When we say grouped means that there is no remainder. Nobody is out of the group. Everyone comes inside the group somehow. For example, I can make 2 groups of, if I have 4 people, I can make 2 groups and 2 people will be there in one group. So yeah, you're correct that even numbers have proper groups. Nobody is out, but when you make groups for odd numbers, somebody is left out. So yeah, there are no proper groups for odd numbers. Correct. Okay. Now, children, do you know how to compare numbers? How can you compare numbers? How do I know how to go ahead and compare? Mukund, are you raising hand? Okay. Anybody who would like to try? Yes, Alarika.
We compare two
numbers.
I can't hear Alarika. Please, everyone else, put yourself on mute. I can hear some disturbance in between. Yes, Alarika.
Ma'am, we can compare the numbers by different signs. For example, greater than, equal than.
Correct. But how will we compare? How do we get to know?
Ma'am, first we have to see the first number.
We compare
For
two numbers.
76. So first we will check 9 is bigger from 7 or not, and then 8 is bigger than 6 or not.
Okay. I see again when Alarika was speaking, somebody was speaking in between. Children, then it creates disturbance. No, it is not right. Correct. You can speak. Of course, you can go ahead and speak, but let the other person finish. Okay. Who was it? Somebody else who wants to say something apart from what Alarika said?
Ma'am, what do you mean by compare?
Compare means, for example, I have two things. See, comparison is always between minimum two things. You can't compare a single thing. If I say that there is number 5 and there is number 7, which number is bigger? That is the meaning of comparison. Number 7 is bigger, of course. If I say which number is smaller, you will say 5 is smaller. So that is what comparison is. So for comparison, we need at least two things. Minimum two things. It can be between more than two things also. Yes, Pranavi.
Ma'am, we use signs to compare. The signs names are greater than, less than, equal.
Correct. Okay. Now let me tell you one method to everyone that how do we actually compare numbers. You know, there is a rule because 5 and 7 are very small numbers and we are not in a very small class. No, we are in grade 3 now. Correct. So we will be dealing with big numbers now, not the smaller ones. So children, whenever we have to compare numbers, no, we always start from the highest place. Do you know the places? Do you know the places in,
Yes.
I mean, till which all places do you know?
Ma'am, I know thousands, ma'am.
Thousands. Okay. So yes, Rebanta, which is the first place?
First place is ones,
Okay. Second place is
tens,
tens, then
100, and 1000.
correct. So if ones is on right, towards the left hand side we have tens, then towards again left hand side, wait, I'll just show you. Ishanvi, are you raising hand again or is it the old one?
Old one.
Okay. See, I'm gonna write here. Ones, you all can see my annotation. Then tens, we always move towards left. We move from right to left. Hundreds and then thousands. How many of you know? I hope everyone is aware till hundreds at least.
I know till thousands.
Great.
Ma'am,
great.
even I know till thousands.
10,000.
Okay. So children, when I say that we always start comparing number from the highest place, then I mean to say that we always start comparing number from, for example, I'll explain it to you with an example. Like I have number 527 and I have another number which is 520. So I will always start comparing from the highest place. Now, which is the digit at highest place here in 527? 527. It is 5. Why? Because it is a 3-digit number. In a 3-digit number, hundreds place is the highest place. Right? Ones is smallest, then tens is bigger, and hundreds is biggest. When I talk about a 3-digit number. Both are 3-digit numbers. Very first thing is check the number of digits. Are the number of digits same? This is also 3-digit number and this is also 3-digit number. Am I correct? Yes, 527 and 520. Yes, so now I will compare the highest place. The highest place here is 5. Let me see what is the highest place here. Here also it is 5. Correct? So they are same. So I can't make out which number is bigger. Now let me move to the next place. The next place is 2. That is the tens place. On tens place, I have number 2 here. Here I have 2. And in this number here also I have 2. Oh my God. Again it is same. Can I still compare them? No, they are same. Yes? So let's, Alarika, 1 second, I'm coming to you. Now let's move on to ones place. On ones place here, I have 7. And on ones place here, I have 0. Now which is bigger? 7 is bigger or 0 is bigger?
Ma'am,
7.
So like this we compare. Now when I know 7 is bigger, so crocodile mouth is gonna eat the bigger number. 7. So that tells me that 527 is bigger than 520. So when I say we start from highest place, children, that means we start from 5. Okay. If it is a 4-digit number, the highest place will be thousands place. If it is a 2-digit number, the highest place will be tens place. If it is a 1-digit number, for example, 9 and 8, the highest place is ones place only. Then I'll simply compare that 9 is greater than 8. Finish.
Yes, ma'am. Everyone.
Yeah. So this is for the small children. No, now you're grown up. You're bigger children. Okay, who was it? Alarika was raising hand. Yes, Alarika, tell me.
Ma'am, I had raised the hand just to tell the answer.
Okay, fine. Okay, children, is this much clear?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
okay, now I'm going to read something for you.
Ma'am, in my class, this is mostly like a game we play. My ma'am calls it Hungry Alligator.
Okay, yes, that's right. You can either say crocodile mouth or you can use the word alligator. That's correct. And what does the crocodile do? It always eats the bigger number. Yes?
For this.
Because it's hungry, no? Okay.
And
Cutie Pie Kian?
And ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, and when the both digits are the same digit, it doesn't point to anyone. It makes an equal sign.
Exactly. When both the numbers, when at all the places the digits are exactly the same, we have to put the sign is equal to, because none of the numbers is bigger. So let me read out certain rules in front of you. Yeah, that will give you more clarity. So let's go ahead. And now it says that if two numbers have different number of digits, the number with more digits is greater. Now children, if I have a 2-digit number and a 1-digit number, then which number will be bigger? Tell me.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, the 2-digit number.
Of course, a 2-digit number.
Ma'am, the 2-digit number.
Correct. Correct. Yes, Deepshi? Deepshi, bacha, you're raising hand.
Yes,
Is there a-
ma'am.
Yes, bacha, please go ahead.
Ma'am,
Yes.
if with 100 numbers, do we still compare with one digit or 100 digits? So we have to just multiply by all we have to just compare by all digits.
Sorry, I didn't get your question. What are you saying? That if we have...
Ma'am, if we have hundreds or thousands digits, is it true we have to just compare by all digits?
See, bache, comparison, and suppose I have two 4-digit numbers. Okay, I'll give you an example and explain. Wait. For example, I have one number which is 5482. And I have another number which is 6300. Both are 4-digit numbers. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So I will start comparing from the highest place.
Ma'am, it's definitely going to be 6.
Bache, do not speak in between. Let me clear her doubt. So, Bache, when we compare two numbers, now here the highest place is 5 and here the highest place is 6. Which is bigger?
Oh, ma'am, it's
6. So from here only, we get to know that this number is bigger. So no need to compare further. Just put the sign. The moment we get to know that this
6,300.
yeah, but you do not speak in between, please. So when I know that 6 is bigger than 5, that means no need to compare 4 and 3 further. We will stop the comparison then and there, and we will put the sign.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So children, suppose if we have two numbers, one is a 4-digit number and one is a 3-digit number, it is pretty clear that always a 4-digit number will be greater than a 3-digit number. So no need to, compare the digits. It is clear that 4-digit number is always greater than a 3-digit number. Okay, who is raising hand now? What happened to Shanvi?
Ma'am, these two signs, this sign is these two signs are what you're talking about right now. Ma'am, there's something called equal to, ma'am. If they're both same, you keep the equal to sign.
Correct. Absolutely right. Okay. Now let me see what is the other rule given. Okay, we have already covered this thing. See, an example is given that suppose there are two 4-digit numbers. One is 5183 and the other one is 4059. If we have same number of digits in both the numbers, then we always start comparing from the greater place. Yeah, here it is 5 and here it is 4. So the moment we come to know that 5 is greater than 4, we stop the comparison there only, like Deepshi asked, and we get to know that yes, okay, it is done. Yes, the moment we get the bigger digit, we put the sign. But if you look at the other example, which is given below, it says, oh, what did I do? 1 second. See, which number is greater here? It says 7598 and 7589. Now, when I start comparing, here also I have 7, here also I have 7. So 7 is equal to 7. Here, when I compare hundreds place, here also I have 5. And here also I have 5. Oh my God, it is still going same. It is equal. But when I compare tens place, I have 9 at tens place here. And I have 8 at tens place here. So of course, 9 is greater than 8. So 7598 is bigger than 7589. So at which place did I come to know that which number is bigger? Who can tell me that at which place did I get to know?
Which place? Ma'am, 10 place and 1.
Yes, Urvija. No, this is not the rule. I am sorry. Yes, Urvija. Urvija was raising hand. I can see many other children raising hand, not speaking in between. Tens place. Correct. This is, I keep on checking the rules of the class in between. And I see who's breaking the rules. Oh my God. Alarika, Kian, Mukund, Udipan and Ishanvi. Were you raising hand to give the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
That's the way. See, children, when other children are raising hand, then you should not speak in between, no? And everybody's turn will come. Yes? Yes, Ishan, go ahead.
Ma'am, 10th place.
Tens place, correct. Yeah, Kian, Mukund, Ishanvi, Alarika, anybody who wants to say something? I know the answer is tens place now.
I was going to say the answer, but now I lowered my hand.
Okay. All